Okay. So, it is like all right, it's 30 Fahrenheit. That's 0 centigrade ish, maybe -1 centigrade. And that means it's a little warmer out, and I'm going to try to get this T26 to run at a better idle and see if I can adjust the carb today. So apparently right off the bat. I don't know why I'm on such a high idle. Okay. Trying to open it up. So let's give this second needle a turn, a quarter turn out. Nope. Half turn out. Three-quarters turn. That is a full turn out on this other needle. And so I don't know about that secondary needle. Try to run this as rich as we can. Yeah, because as we lean it, it goes faster and faster. Maybe that's it. The main needle is open a little over a quarter, and that makes the engine running really rich and rough. And that second needle is open a turn, but that makes it respond on the throttle. I still have to do something about the fuel line over here rubbing against the flywheel. Oh, I know what I did. I didn't loop it all the way out around the intake. Okay. Pop this off. Try to keep it pinched so I don't dump all the fuel out. Ah. Come on. Well, dumped all the fuel everywhere anyway. Alright, now it's down around the fuel, or now it's down around the intake. Let's see here. Running it down around the intake keeps it away from the flywheel there. But I dumped a lot of fuel everywhere, so we're gonna wait a few minutes and try again in a second after the fuel has dried up.